Hello friends, my project on big data and why we need it is Big Data Kogi. We are going to discuss why we need big data, what is big data, what are the advantages and challenges while processing the big data in the coming slides. As the terms explain big data itself explain that the huge size of data and growing exceptionally every day. Big data is a large volume of data which include both structure and unstructured. The big data has major impact on organization, processing unit, and strategic business decision. Big data can be seen everywhere today, starting with stock exchange, social media, aviation, hospitality, healthcare, and many other industries. We can see there are many problems with big data today, and the understanding of the company is not clear about big data, starting with lack of understanding, high cost, too many choices, complex system, security, regulatory, compliance requirement, etc. We can also see there are various challenges while processing data, and that is the reason why data science project fails, as the challenges are not addressed efficiently. So, there are certain challenges that we need to consider as I have listed here. Insufficient understanding and acceptance of big data, confusing variety of big data technology, complexity and managing big data, quality, separation of data and logic, lack of collaboration, dangerous big data, and security holes. So these are the major challenges we see while processing the big data, and these are the major factors that can help the failure of a project while considering the data science project. Also, there are many sources of the data. The traditional sources of data I have listed here, like core application used by various organizations, social media, cloud platform, web and mobile, IoT, internet and intranet, social and personal communication. So these are the main sources of data we need to consider while we are building any data science related project or solution that we are going to implement. So considering all the issue, challenges and requirement in the earlier slide, I have selected Kogel. First, we need to understand why Kogel. Kogel is a simplified big data solution which help us to consolidate various type of data sources, spreadsheets, log files, documentation, and store them as well as share them efficiently. It also helps us to push the data, apply certain logic, and generate the various type of dashboard, business prediction, as well as the flow of our day-to-day activity. Kogel makes differences while comparing to other big data projects, starting with inspires confidence as it has good security mechanism, data competitive advantage, operationalize the impact. It has made data science easy so anyone who don't understand physics, mathematics can easily process big data with the accurate result. It also produces the result within second and on affordable cost. So considering all the fact, it has made data science completely simplified. So I can say data science made simplified with Kogel. Kogel's data foundation store the data, it model the data, even it do the data mining, as well as it produce the data into actionable form. So considering all the fact, my project on data science is really Kogel. We can see the big data will be growing in the future. Big data is not going to stop here. It will be growing every day, and the demand of big data will be growing at certain statistic produce that have been listed here. So there are things that we need to consider and take away. Data volume will continue to increase and migrate to the cloud. Machine learning will continue to change the landscape. Data scientists and CTO will be in high demand. Privacy will remain a hot issue. Fast data and external data will come to the forefront. So considering all the facts, my friends, I can tell you Kogel is the best solution to address big data requirement. Thank you very much.